friends, today I want to share very exciting news that first release candidate of a FreeCAD 1.0 is out, and you can read this news on freecad.org blog sections, and here you can read this complete news. And this is published on September 10, 2024 that FreeCAD first release candidate 1.0 is out. And what are the new things which will we see in FreeCAD 1.0? You can see this in a release note. Here you can read in depth what are the changes has been made in FreeCAD 1.0. It is a very big list. You can also see the bugs which have been fixed and incorporated in FreeCAD 1.0. Now, to use FreeCAD 1.0, here you will find the link of a GitHub page where you can open this page and download the according to your operating system. For example, if you are using the Linux, then you can use this one. If you are using Mac, you can use this Mac and Windows here. So I am using the Windows, so I have installed this FreeCAD 1.0 and I will show you in this video. Now let's move to the blog news. So with the help of this link you can download the FreeCAD, and FreeCAD community is requesting you to try RC1, and issue tracker is there where you can report the issues so that upcoming version of FreeCAD will be more stable and more competitive in a CAD market as compared to other CAD modeling softwares. And here is a weekly meeting link is given. You can if you are a developer, you can also participate in a meeting. Some of the meetings for the developers and some of the meetings are for normal user as well. So if you are a developer, then you can involve with a FreeCAD community. So this is all about FreeCAD 1.0 is out, and upcoming tutorials I will make on FreeCAD 1.0, and I will also request all of you to install it and use it with respect to your operating system. Now let's open FreeCAD 1.0 for Windows. So as you visit your GitHub page, then you have to download this zip file which is a .7z. So if you have not this software, you can download. You can go to the Google and type download 7z. So you will get this link and download 7-zip, and once you download the 7-zip, download this FreeCAD 1.0 RC1 Conda Windows 86 64, and once you download it, extract the file, and once you extract the file, your zip file, you will get a folder like this, and here go to the bin section, and in the bin section you will get a FreeCAD exe file. So here is a application file, and right click it and run it as administrator. So as a Windows user, say yes. So you can see that FreeCAD 1.0 RC1 is loading. So this is how this interface is look like. Let's create a new file and create this status page, or we will open our some of the parts of our previous tutorial, like for example I open this part which is made in a FreeCAD 0.21, and so you can see that user interface is very good and it's look very promising. And visit to the release page note for to get more information about what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So I will create tutorials on this latest release of a FreeCAD, and let's see how it is going. And I'm very happy to see that FreeCAD is much more improved as compared to the previous version of 0.21. And from now all the tutorials which I will make on FreeCAD will be based on FreeCAD 1.0 RC1. If any of the tutorial if I made in a FreeCAD 0.21 or 22, then I will provide the version numbers on thumbnail of my all video. So this is all about FreeCAD first release candidate, and I request all of you to please install and try it on your live projects and report the bugs to the developers on the issue trackers, so that developers improve the FreeCAD. And I hope and I'm very positive that FreeCAD will be much more competitive in a market as a CAD applications. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.